On today's menu, delicious, crispy cassava fries.
Lay home ma everyone, I'm Wil Yeung. Delicious, easy, and the oven does most of the work. Cassava fries.
Preheat your oven to 400. Carefully chop your cassava in half. Peel. Chop into fries. Mix in bowl. Salt, pepper, smoked paprika, olive oil, toss, baking pan, spread, into the oven for 25 minutes.
Is that not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen?
These incredibly delicious fries you can make today.
Some of the best recipes are where the oven does most of the work. Just incredible. Crispy outside and a really soft and moist inside. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.